What's up, party people? Pat Sully here, hanging out in beautiful Jackson Hole with Technica Blizzard, and we are super proud to come out with our new line of skis. This sexy little number is the Bodacious. This is Arnie Backstrom's concept ski. It's got 118 underfoot, flip core technology, and rocker in the tip and tail. This ski is for aspiring big mountain pros, sick bird hopefuls. If you're skiing on the World Free Skiing Tour, you should probably get this in your quiver because this thing is a stomping machine.